Hey guys, it's me, Connie. Ow. Okay, right and left this year. Berber. She had to join us. Okay, I just let you out a second ago. What are you looking for? Go to bed. Berber, go to bed. Stop sniffing your treats. I just gave you one. Okay, we have our guest here. Hi, my name's Riley. Hi. Hi. So today we're gonna make a lot of slime. I have a ton of glue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it's right by the camera. No. Really? Really? That's why I put her in her. Don't bite it. Sorry guys about this. I've got to put her back in her bed. Now stay. Stay. Trying to make a video here. I don't care who wanted it. Who's water? Water! I'm just gonna make originally slime. I have a ton of slime. I'm gonna pour all my glue in. Okay. Put that aside. I got my nether glue. I'll put these on the lid. Take this, put it over there, and pour this in. Okay, on to the third bottle. My dog is staying now. She's in her bed. I like just watching it fall. My favorite part about this is probably the glue. Well, making the slime is probably the glue. Probably have some glue left. That's alright, because we're going to have a ton of slime. Our 5th bottle. Let's pour 2 bottles at a time. Oops. This one's an empty bottle. 5. Moving on to our last and final bottle. rub it in. Let's take this. Let's pour it in the can. I'll add more as I go. Oh, take our water and just pour it in. Make sure she stays there. I'm going to get some. Stay. Did you stay, guys? We're going to also be making my cousin some green slime. Absorb it. Absorb it. Oh yeah, guys, to let you know, this is also the container I'm going to be using to mix all my slimes in and hold this slime, so. I think we need more water. Yeah, it's all glue. She's nuts. I'm putting in my hands. Guys, my hands are going in. What? 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 It's just so satisfying. Guys, I think I finally made the slime, but it's a little sticky. I'm going to be making my cousin some green slime. I'm going to also dye this one yellow or yellow or blue or whatever. So please like, subscribe, Wait, Dad. Can you please push the button because of my hands?
What?
Can you please push the button because of my hands?
Okay.
So please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this slime. I still need to knead it. It's sticky. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you made this slime. Bye!